Wait, Dad.
Hello, everyone. It's me, Andre Foster. This is the cool thing about having a online home business is you can be anywhere, and you have your kids want to tease you, like over here. See. So, I wanted to show you something. I'm with my power lead system.
Oh, nice.
So every month I get this. I know it may not seem like a lot, but it's $20. But just imagine. If you had your $20 and you get like 10 people at $20. That's what?
Hey, bro, look at my video. You really be doing some job. Advertising, blah, blah, advertising, blah, 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 blah.
Open it.
That's
Open
$200 basically.
Ah.
With 10 people that you get every single month. Let's say they tease me again. But like I said, that's the great thing about home-based business. You can be anywhere. You get a chance to spend time with your friends and your family and your kids,
Maybe you got
and
no
watch
friends.
them mimic it.
What if you got no friends?
Well, that's why I got the internet people out there. Hey, they're my friends.
Oh, Dad, you're
Everybody.
real lonely.
Yeah.